What if you could earn a full-time income online, even if you've never made a dollar or cent online previously? And what if you could earn affiliate commissions from 1, 2, 3, even up to 100 income streams at the same time without doing any extra work? Yep. You heard me clearly. Up to 100 income streams at the same time without doing any extra work. Talk about killing 100 birds with only one stone. Does that sound like something you might be interested in? Absolutely. Then pay very close attention to this short video, because I found a simple method that enables me to boost conversions and sales effortlessly, while generating affiliate commissions from multiple streams simultaneously. This will absolutely blow your mind. It's a game changer. Many beginners and struggling marketers believe that there's this massive gap between what they do and how the top earners actually make their money. But the truth is this: the so-called massive gap is actually very tiny. You probably already know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. And you need quality, targeted traffic to see your offers in the first place. But we know from current realities that having targeted traffic is not enough. Let me say that again. In 2021 and for the foreseeable future, having targeted traffic is not enough. The holy grail is getting your targeted traffic to actually convert into sales. Unfortunately, this has become harder than ever before, especially with the increasing competition every day. Research has shown that on average, less than 30% of your traffic may actually convert into sales. It's no wonder why making money is hard. But I get it. This is the age of innovation. I knew there had to be a smarter and easier way. Yes, the missing link. And my research led to an amazing discovery of that missing link. It's a little-known secret called optimization, which only the top 5% of internet marketers and super affiliates know about and continue to exploit for massive profits online. Stop getting mad at these top earners, because today is your own lucky day. This cutting-edge method leverages the power of optimization and automation, creating a multiplier effect that boosts conversions and sales. The more you optimize, the better your conversions. And the better your conversions and sales, the more affiliate commissions you can potentially earn. And that's a no-brainer. Introducing ConvertPro. ConvertPro is a unique, cost-effective, and recession-proof method that leverages the power of optimization and automation to boost conversions and affiliate commissions. ConvertPro includes training and software to help you do the heavy lifting. No additional effort is needed. No time wasting. No guesswork. Absolutely no nonsense whatsoever. So, how does ConvertPro work? It's easy. Just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get your unique ConvertPro optimized link. This is not your affiliate link. And don't worry, the software generates this for you automatically. Step 2. Energize your optimized link, simply by driving traffic to it. This can be free traffic or paid traffic, or even both. We provide multiple options for you. Step 3. Actually, there is no step 3. All that's left for you now is to sit back, relax, and watch your bank account breathe consistently day in and day out. But don't take my word for it. Here's what some beta testers are saying about ConvertPro. This just came in from one of them. I thought Tony was exaggerating when he told me that this method is simple and works in any niche. But I'm ashamed to admit that I was dead wrong. I can tell you unequivocally that ConvertPro lives up to its claims. Great job, Tony. Here's another one. Honestly, seeing this was a breath of fresh air for me. There's so much junk out there and it's becoming increasingly difficult to find genuine stuff. But after seeing what Tony put together, I know that this is not your regular make money online method. And here's another one. I'm actually lost for words right now. Not sure how Tony pulled this one off. But whatever he has done to make this method worth it, I know it actually works. Can't tell you how much I'm just loving it. With ConvertPro, you literally have a powerhouse in your hands. And you can generate job-crushing and recession-proof income online like clockwork. You may be wondering, there are so many money-making methods out there. So how is ConvertPro any different? That is a great question, and I'm glad you asked. You should always be suspicious and take everything on the internet with a grain of salt. So, there are several reasons why ConvertPro is different. But just to name a few. Reason number 1. ConvertPro is based on a fail-proof and timeless principle. Anything you optimize becomes better and more efficient. Reason number 2. You don't need any experience or skills to make money using ConvertPro. The training is top-notch and the software does the heavy lifting for you. Reason number 3. There is no guesswork involved because we show you what to do step by step. And we also give you done-for-you campaigns at no extra cost. Reason number 4. Unlike other methods and strategies, you can start with virtually no budget. Reason number 5. ConvertPro is pretty much a set and forget system. Once you generate your unique optimized links with the software, they continue to make money for you even while you sleep. Now you can finally say goodbye to the days of working hard without getting results. And say hello to job-crushing and recession-proof income. So, here's everything that you get with ConvertPro. Step-by-step optimization training. The optimizer software. The advanced link tracking software. You also get ConvertPro multiple traffic methods. Done-for-you campaigns. Practical case studies. And a world-class support team that is ready to help you at any time. Basically, it comes down to only 2 choices to make right now. Option 1. Continue struggling with the old, outdated methods that make you work so hard. Trade your time for money and still make you fail woefully. Or, Option 2. Generate easy and job-crushing income with the help of ConvertPro. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. If you want to get a heavily discounted copy of ConvertPro, simply click that buy button below right now. And I'll see you inside the members area.